Friends, the title of this video is Don't Let the How Intimidate You. Don't let the how intimidate you. I believe one of the questions that will prevent you from doing anything worthwhile in your life is, how am I going to do this? How am I going to cover this journey? How will all the components come together? I don't even have the skills. This is missing and that is missing. And I remember in 2007 was the first time that I watched The Secret, and it came at just the appropriate time for me, because that was about the time when I was planning to make the big jump from what I was doing at the moment, i.e. a hospitality professional. I was a food and beverage manager with one of the hotels in the UK, and I had been in this career for a good 9 years, and now I was thinking of leaving it and venturing into the unknown. So The Secret at that point of time in 2007 came at just the right time for me, and I still remember. If ever a sentence has been so powerful to give me a lot of conviction about my life, that was Reverend Michael Bernard Beckwith in the Secret, who said, "The how will be shown to you." I still remember this sentence. It gives me goosebumps every single time. The how will be shown to you. Don't worry about the how you're going to do something. The how will be shown to you. The journey will unfold. And I remember Jack Canfield using this very example, which I'm playing in the background right now for you, about a car journey in the middle of the night, and how if you switch on the headlights of your vehicle, how only you are able to see the next 10 or 15 feet. You won't be able to see the entire difference. And also the beauty of this example is that as you cover the first 10 or 15 feet, the next 10 or 15 feet become visible to you. I still remember that, and that made a lot of sense to me at that point of time. And because there was a whole lot of uncertainty about how things are going to shape out. So this is for all of you who keep asking, how did I figure out how to be a motivational speaker? How did I decide to make this transition from living in the UK and moving back to India? How did I decide this, and how did I decide that? How did I decide all those major decisions? This is the answer. The how was shown to me. The how was shown to me. How to get your first assignment was shown to me when I was spending some time with my friend, an entrepreneur who had moved back from the United States and set up a small software company here in the city that I moved back to, in Jalandhar in Punjab. The how was shown to me because in that conversation, somewhere came up the term motivation and professional development. And he said, "Look, I have a small team of 15 people. Could you do something for them?" And I've spoken about that in detail in another video. I do suggest that you go and watch that also, how I landed my first paid assignment. And the how was literally shown to me. And from that, I had an aha moment that opportunities are not going to come to me. That how to make a sales call is you go out and make a sales call. There's no step-by-step manual. So I would pick up my car in the morning and me and my wife, we would walk into different companies and we talk about our services. And this is how we landed the first few clients, which were really important because they gave us the momentum to go forward. So the how was literally shown to me in this on this journey. So as you, my friends, struggle with a variety of hows, how am I going to become the person of my dreams? How am I going to build my career to be, in that position? Or how am I going to succeed in this new business venture? Or how am I going to do this or that? A simple exercise of gratitude for you. Reflect on the past decade of your life. Do this right now. Take a deep breath in and reflect on the last 10 years of your life and on the journey that you've covered in the last 10 years and of the major challenges that came along the way and how one dot connected with the next one and how you were shown the way forward, you were guided, and how everything beautifully connects in the last decade, how you were guided, how you were assisted, and how one step led to another. And if you are able to take a deep breath in right now and reflect on the past decade of your life and just see for yourself where your journey started and where you are today. You did not figure out how when you started this journey. You trusted, you asked, you believed, you stepped forward, and now as you look backwards, you're expressing your gratitude. I think that's a very simple 4-step powerful process. Ask what you want, know what you want, ask for it, believe that you can have it. Step forward, take action every day. Step forward in faith, not stepping forward in desperation, but step forward in faith. And then look back frequently with gratitude and take a deep breath in every now and then. And look around you with a sense of wonder and amazement at all the things that beautifully come together to help you accomplish whatever it is that you want to accomplish into your life. So a short video, quick reminder to remind you, don't let the how intimidate you. Don't let the how I'm going to cover this journey interfere in your plans of beginning this journey. The great conspiracy, one of the greatest conspiracy ever, is the law of attraction, which says if you step forward in faith, there are so many components that will come together to assist you on this journey. Enjoy the journey, have fun along the way, and contribute and serve to others also as you move forward. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.